Now that we're comfortable vectorizing our text, we're ready to jump into the really exciting field of topic modeling. Topic modeling takes a set of documents, and by documents, I mean individual pieces of text. So this could be rows in a data frame with your text in, it could be items in a list, anything like that is just referred to as documents. Topic modeling will scan each of our documents to identify patterns. We can then group similar documents together into our topics. If you take your mind back to section 1, you'll remember we discussed supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Topic modeling is an example of unsupervised learning. We don't need any labels in our data to find these topics. The algorithms work by just identifying key patterns. The algorithms work by identifying similar word patterns throughout these different documents. From there, these word patterns are used to identify what each piece of text is talking about, and once the algorithms understand this, they can group similar documents together really easily. Let's illustrate what these different topics might look like with an example. Let's take the following piece of text. AI is now able to create videos and audio that are hard to distinguish from the real thing. Recently, a number of celebrities have been impersonated, and journalists need to take extra care verifying sources before going to publication. You don't need any special hardware to work with AI. Governments are discussing bringing in regulations and policy. So when you look through this text, you might see that there are a couple of different themes that come out. One of the topics could be around equipment, so you've got the words video, audio, and hardware that you could bring together into one topic. You then have words like celebrities, journalists, publication that could form the second topic around media. There's also some words around government, so you've got the words government, regulations, policy. This could form a third topic. This is a really basic example of how topic modeling essentially works. It looks for key themes within our text, and then once it knows these key themes, it can give an overall theme to the document and identify similar documents together. Topic modeling is a great resource for any NLP data scientist. It can work quickly and identify key themes and patterns in our data. It can also take a large amount of text and find patterns that humans just might miss if we were to do it manually. There are a number of different algorithms in the topic modeling field, but we'll be focusing on the two most common today. The first, latent Dirichlet allocation, and then moving on to latent semantic analysis. Now let's move on to our next lesson and start putting this into practice.